Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to send DM on your Discord app. Discord's direct messages allow you to have one-on-one conversation with other users in the Discord community. These are private conversations that won't be seen on a public chat server. If you are stuck trying to figure out how to send a DM, so let's begin with the video. First open the Discord app and then tap on the message icon at the top left corner. Here you will see the list of friends. Tap on the friend that you want to send DM. Here you will see the message box at the bottom of the page. Tap on the message box and type in your message and then tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner that has a bluish purple background. Here you have successfully DM your friend. But if you don't have any friend, then you have to first add the friend to DM them. For that, tap on the people icon at the bottom of the page right beside search icon. Then you will see three icons at the top right corner. Here you will see message icon, people icon and mobile icon. Tap on the people icon. And then tap on the add via username box right below add via username and type in your friend's username. Then tap on the send friend request button that has a bluish purple background. Here you have successfully sent them friend request. Now you can DM them. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.